All right, welcome back, Smile Jammers. It's time for fun stuff. Now, budgeting can sometimes be an extreme sport, especially on a low income. Neville and I are being asked to create a budget for a month with only 30,000 Jamaican dollars.
Well done, man.
Easy breezy, beautiful.
Yeah?
Easy breezy.
But my rent more than that.
Easy breezy. When you ready? We can start?
All
All right.
30,000.
$30,000.
We write 30,000 at the top, right?
All right.
30,000. That's what 30,000,
You
right?
can't see this yellow marker.
All right. You want this? Yeah, I can't see that.
You can't see the yellow marker,
No,
Ara?
can't see it. See mine. Mine, that's what we use, man. All right, how much is rent?
No, your budget and my budget are not the same budget.
No, two of us work together.
No, me and you can't work on the same budget. My income different from yours.
Yeah, you get much more.
Clive said, give me a property.
Use mine.
Okay.
And I will tell you what to do.
No, me I'll tell you what. You can't tell me how to spend my money. $30,000.
How much is your rent?
So if my rent, I don't pay rent, but if my rent is 70,000, that's how gonna be
Minus.
Neville. If me light bill a 5,000,
Arrow.
that
Chef.
fee.
I like
If
it.
food, if me food
Yeah.
at 30,000,
That's how much food you're going to eat?
that
Arrow.
no, but I did feel hungry and I never asked her for $30,000. I better miss him happy. All
Hey,
right.
Brad.
Phone, I got be, and phone is about, call it 8. That a Clive. All right. Luxury, social time.
Question now. You work? You earning any
That
money at all?
Mr. Allen and Mr. Barnes, Sky Bill I. And if each of them give me 15,
You're good.
good.
You're not answering
So
me.
me I go end up with 40 extra by end of month.
Hold on. No? Question.
there?
You work?
Eh?
Do you work?
Hello.
What you earn though?
Forget $5,000 out of Sheffield. How will if I work in about this?
You don't answer me though, you know. You
Eh?
earn any money at all?
They not see me extra 40. See that?
No, but it's beg, you beg everybody money. What
No,
pay?
I didn't beg. Don't say that.
So I must pay your rent for 70,000.
I would have to beg you to do that, Neville. I would have to beg. No, I wanted to look good at my list. I want to understand something.
Yeah.
You're a priority on my list.
Oh.
I hear your name first. I hear your name first. Make my list.
Question.
You see who they are at the
Wait,
bottom?
question.
Mr. Allen and Mr. Barnes.
Wait, no.
Yes.
Where you live, why it costs so much money?
And a little bit of money that for rent.
70,000?
Yes.
There's not a one bedroom.
Never I could have never make you come at my house so you can't stretch out your foot and you pay the rent. Come on, man. At least it need a living room and a dining area. Yes, yes.
70,000 plenty
But
still.
no.
Me that
So
move.
you're complaining about the 70?
Yeah, me that make you move.
To where?
To
No matter move, go away, which way you're not coming on.
me a come.
If you're not coming, they're not
No,
going
me
there.
a come, but
Where?
me that does say your rent
Oh,
is,
man.
is about 10,000.
10?
Yeah.
A Coronation Market, me live?
Close.
No, I must
no,
want.
no, close.
I want space for Coronation.
Next
Put
door.
me.
Next
No,
door.
if you give me $10,000, you can't do a pie top. I don't say you got there.
No. Me,
No, if you're 10,000,
I'm
go.
paying rent, so I must be at the top.
Never. I could have never. You want me to eat $30,000 worth of food in a $10,000 house?
No,
You see, say your
hold on.
budget in
Wait,
wrong.
no, wait, no.
The food of a no, you can't go in a Marvin budget or cut Marvin budget.
$2,000.
You mean Jamaica just discover say you mean?
No, $2,000 for food.
Eh?
Um,
We're going to the news. Breaking news. Never mean. Mean, ladies. I'm going to put in a $10,000 house to eat $2,000 worth of food.
yeah, and then
I'm done with him.
and then you can't have the money to go foreign and spend.
That's why Dealy done with it. Dealy, me with you on it.
Oh,
Dealy, me with you, Dealy. We're done with
We're
it.
done. Let me
We're
tell you that
done.
story.
I'm
We're
done.
going to news in 5. When you come back, I'll tell you something about dealing.